Welcome to this quick unboxing video of the Leica Rangemaster crf 2800.com. As the name suggests, this is designed to range out to 2800 yards, so extremely long range. And one thing to note though, despite the name, is that there are limitations baked in for the use of some of the tools to only 1,000 yards, which is Leica's way of saying that that's an ethical hunting distance. So 2800 is where you can do some basic ranging, but the tools themselves that come with this, which are a pretty comprehensive ballistic program and the capability to connect to other tools, are limited, so be aware of that. Obviously, this is being the latest in a range of new products, incorporates all the things you'd expect. Comes with a small case which you may or may not use depending on your application, and this is a high-end and expensive piece of glass, so as you'd expect, it is well packaged. The cool thing about this is the fact that this rangefinder pairs not only with an app via Bluetooth, hence the .com connection, I assume, but it also connects to other devices. And for the long-range shooter, the most important part about that is connectivity to Kestrel. So as you can see in the hand, it is small, and in this case, as we'll show, it is very light, compact. This model has a 24mm front lens, and just putting a battery in the back here is super easy. It's made of a reinforced plastic, so super strong. It's very simple design layout. You click this button on the front for range finding and the red dot button for changing the mode. And you can attach a lanyard easily enough here. Let's just quickly check out the weight. Super lightweight, feels very comfortable in the hand. As you can see here, it's literally just 6 ounces. It's about 4.5 inches long, including the eye cup. The design of it is very slim, so compared to other rangefinders, it's much easier to put in the pocket, so beware of that. It's very thin, and that's a big benefit. Clearly, it comes with all the documentation you need and warranties and what have you.